Hello. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're right back into where we left off here for our fantasy painting that I'm going to be doing, entitled The Two Masters, In Between the Two Masters. And as you can see on the lower right hand corner, that is my reference drawing that I'm actually working from. And I actually, if you wanted to get a really good look at it, it is actually posted under my on my Instagram page under my portfolio there on my Instagram, as well as my Tumblr. If you really wanted to get just a really good look at what's going on there, what I'm going to be painting for on the canvas. So what we're doing is that from last time we were working on just blocking the figures and just outlining where the focal figures were going to be. And focal figures are the three figures are going to be, which is going to be the dragon at the very top in the middle, the lady knight, which is going to be flanking to the lower left hand corner, and the Pegasus type horse on the right hand side. So this video is actually going to be a little relatively short, but precise to the point. And my goodness, is that, yeah, I'm just turning that camera. I apologize for that. I was just in the middle of turning the camera back around because that is I was trying some viewpoints. So like I was saying, so I'm finishing the, I'm actually continuing, rather, the outlining of the three figures. That's going to be on the foreground of this painting. And just to give you a gist of what's going on with that, I just wanted to bring you up to brief, that I am continue doing that. And after this video, I did continue working on that, this painting with the filling in and the outlining of all three characters. The next time you actually see this video, hopefully, I would have progressed. I'm going to have progressed to the point of just going, more into the upper stages of the painting of the figures. The figure has of the dragon, the lady knight, and the Pegasus. And I really need to work rather more quickly. I'll probably be getting a lot more work done this weekend. And so that the next time that you do see this video, it will be quite well progressed, because I do have this really big art competition coming up in March the 15th, and I have to get the paintings in that I want in. So the hyperrealism portrait's going to be going in, as well as this one, and there's another one that I want to start. But what may happen is that I may accompany another new painting while I'm doing this. So I'm toggling back and forth, and that's going to be interesting. But you'll be able to see that on video, and here on my channel. When we'll probably see that next week sometime. So you probably can't see what I'm doing here, but I'm just finishing just outlining, just outlining more of the blocking. And check this out, guys, I've run out of flesh tint pigments and umber paint, and some other colors that I really need to stock up on. So I want to have to go. I can either pop by in Michael's, they're good enough. I mean, I've been using Winsor Newton for a long time, and they're my trusted brand that I like using, so I'm going to probably just go buy some of that. Some of my Winsor Newton that I know of and that I'm very comfortable in using. And because as of right now, the tubes of paint that I am using, I'm having to split them in half because the pigments they're neither at the bottom of the tube or at the top of the tube, but they're right in the middle. So that's where all the bulk of the paint lies. Now, I don't know if I have time to talk about this, but I'll see if I can squeeze it in. If you actually happen to look at the part 1 of the outlining for this painting, okay, thanks. So yeah, like what I was, so like I was saying before, that I'm just really just going to continue working on the outlines, and I'm actually running out of time here, so I'm gonna kind of brief this, come to a stopping with this. So the next time you see this video, I will have progressed the painting, filling in more of the characters, so that way you're going to be able to see the figures finally taking form. I will look forward to seeing you next time, and bye. Until then, peace and blessings. Hi, thanks guys for stopping by and seeing my wonderful, awesome tutorials. I love to see you guys again. Thank you for liking and subscribing my channel and the videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also there's my official website at Zenkiea.com. If you want to buy any type of new art deals, any drawings, paintings, they're all there for you to see. It'll follow you over there. Just follow it over to the square.com website where you can actually buy and make purchases of everything. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.